Now, let's wire things together and get things working. So here's my LED. Remember, before you go about inserting your LED into your circuit, you need to make sure it works. So here I go. And always make sure that the long leg of the LED goes into the left-hand side of my tester. And there we go. And this particular LED is actually a flashing red and green one. So there it is. Anyway, when you go about doing things, I think it's always a good idea to make it obvious which leg is positive and which leg is going to be negative. So what I do, my golden rule is, because the positive leg is longer, I actually bend it, and I bend it out like this. So there it is. So that way, to me, I know this bent leg is positive. And then what I do after that is I start wiring it up, and I normally put this point here and about this point here, okay? And then I wind it around the leg. And so this leg could be a leg of an LED, or it could be just another wire. And I coil it around like this. And then to make sure it works, I just connect my power. And because I've tested this already, I know this works on 2.4 volts. So I've got my power supply set to 2.4 volts. There it is, 2.41 volts. Okay, and here we go. So this is the positive end, therefore it connects to the positive end of the terminal, shown by my red lead. And here's my negative end, goes to the negative terminal of my LED. And there we are, it works. So all I have to do now is add more parts, and of course the right resistor when we power this with a 9-volt battery.